In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up Python on Visual Code in 2025. First, go to python.org and download the latest Python version. During installation, make sure to check Add Python to FAT. This is crucial. Open VS Code and click the extensions icon on the left sidebar. Search for Python by Microsoft and install it. This extension includes IntelliSense, debugging, and code formatting. Create a new folder on your desktop called My Python Project and open it in VS Code using File, then open the folder. Press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Type Python, select Interpreter, and choose the Python version you just installed. Test your setup. Create a new file called hello.py and write print hello Python, just like what I have written. Right-click and select Run Python File in Terminal to test everything works. Perfect! You're now ready to code Python in VS Code.